Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2848th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, very risky. Trading is risky. Trading is risky, 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 risky. Never trade without stops. Put them in first. And make sure you always observe that before you trade. All right, so 2 nights ago, for trading on Monday, I showed you this and I said, you know what? The OMNI says, put the brakes on. At the same time, the Russell 2000 just got all the way up to the top and hit OTAPMA, OMNI Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, and hit the top of a bear flag, and OMNI said no more buying, and it put the brakes on. So this is where we were on Monday, and this is what happened since, which is pretty darn amazing. Look at that. It went right, it failed right there, dropped right to the bottom of that flag. Is that not amazing analysis? Like it was supposed to work. So what I'd love to do for trading on Thursday would be, of course, get involved, take the OMNI, see what it wants me to do, but I can't. You know why? Because markets are closed for the observation of Jimmy Carter, the passing of Jimmy Carter. So former President Jimmy Carter passed away. Tomorrow is observation day. Banks are closed, the federal government's closed, and the stock market is closed. So we'll pick up on this on Thursday. Jimmy Carter, rest in peace. Omniacs, I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.